Hey yo, man, my label mate Don Newkirk, man. Step to him.
Thanks, Serge. And now for the Prime Minister, Sinister Pete. Nice.
Kick him in the grill, Pete.
Gas, past tense made facially. Third Basal Express, KMD. 3 blind mics on site. Zev Lover gave it the first light. A grin shows a trick up a sleeve. What a tangled web they weave. Deceivers, stupefy through fable. Say let's make a deal at the dinner table. Put you on tour, put your record on wax.
Trust me.
Sign your life on the X. You exit Exor, but what you really get? A box of Newports and Puma sweats.
Damn.
Text feeds and frowns upon Emis to give up gas face and drinks from a thermos. Sub Rock could at you with a clipper. Gas face given, I beg to differ.
Pete, that was real tough, man, but I gotta get serious now.